Today we are leaving from Caribe Hilton Hotel in San Juan, Puerto Rico to go to El Yunque Rainforest and water slide with Soriano Tours on Thanksgiving Day, a family fun adventure.
The old San Juan is built on the castle. This hole where we're at is built on top of a castle, everything here. So if you walk around the outside, you can see the walls, and there's a castle. We're on top of a castle right now. He says it's good that if it's raining here, it's going to be storming down there. Just kidding.
Now we are driving through the beautiful El Yunque National Rainforest, a long but narrow winding road. Our first stop is a smaller waterfall stream. We had to climb down a dirt muddy path, so recommend that you wear good quality water shoes, which we found a shop in Old San Juan. This is a beautiful spot for photo op and the kids to climb and enjoy the fresh waterfall.
Going to Las Bailas and the Yucayu Tower too.
Now we climb the tower and enjoy the breathtaking view. Next,
we're going to La Coca Fall.
even though people climb this waterfall, it's not recommended. It's quite dangerous.
Now we're going to Las Bailas, the big natural waterfall of Puerto Rico.
Now this walk down is very steep and slippery. As you go further down, it's all rocks and muddy, especially after it rains. So be prepared. I took a big fall between the rocks and cut my knee open. I have to say Carlos was amazing. He guided us up all the way up the falls to make sure we walked in the non-slippery areas since he has done this several times. And now we have fun. But just wait for it. You will get to see some daredevils.
Now we're going to Luquillo Beach. Have some fun. And
I knew the curve of her face. It was my lovely lady, and she said, oh.
Hello, we're here in Puerto Rico with Soriano Sur, making sure my friend here have fun. We take you around the island, we take you to the Yunque, to the natural water slide, a new experience you gotta live here in Puerto Rico. You're welcome to come here and make a call to us. Have a great day.
And now after a long day we get to nap. Back to the Hilton Hotel, one of the best, coolest tour guide and tour company, Soriano Tours, I recommend when you come to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Well, I hope you enjoyed our family fun Thanksgiving Day adventure.